Yes, children, today I am going to give you the Sanjeevni of maths. Okay? Sanjeevni of success. So, you know that in maths we need formula so that we can solve the questions in an easy way, in a fast way. Okay, so that's why today I am going to give you the summary of all the formula so that you can easily memorize it and apply when they are needed. So I'm starting with algebraic identity. Okay, so tell me a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. Anyone can tell me the expansion of a plus b whole square? I'm just telling a square plus b square plus 2ab. Clear? Second, a minus b whole square. So its expansion will be a square plus b square minus 2ab. Clear? Okay. Now suppose you subtract this from this, what will come? A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. So your answer will be 4ab. You can use this directly. Okay. Next is the expansion of a square minus b square. Anyone tell me expansion of a square minus b square? Expansion is a minus b in one bracket and a plus b in second bracket. Means if you will multiply them, you will get this. When you will factorize this, you will get this. Clear? Okay. Now tell me the expansion of a plus b plus c whole square. You have to write the expansion of a square plus b square plus c whole square. So this expansion, square of this term, square of this term, square of this term. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times. Clear? Product of these two. So what will come? AB plus BC plus C. This is the expansion of A plus B plus C whole square. Clear? Now I'm coming to the cube. So what will be the expansion of A plus B whole cube? What is the expansion of a plus b whole cube? So the expansion of a plus b cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3 times ab, then in a bracket a plus b. Clear? Now expansion of a cube, a minus b whole cube. So a minus b whole cube. This will be a cube minus b cube minus 3ab, then a minus. These formulas should be on your tips, okay, so that you can easily apply it. Now next is what will be the expansion of this? A cube plus b cube. Though you have already using it, any of you can tell me the expansion of a cube plus b cube. Okay, so what will be the expansion? A plus b, then a square, then put minus ab here, plus b square. Square of first term minus product of a into b plus square of second term. Then expansion of a cube minus b cube. Who can tell me the expansion of a cube minus b cube? So expansion will be a minus b. Clear? Then a square plus ab plus b square. Clear? Okay. Then the last है a cube. Okay, should I write it here? Okay. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So what will be its expansion? Its expansion will be a plus b plus c. Second bracket, what will come? A square plus b square c square minus plus c. Clear? So these are the algebraic identity. You can apply them and you can find out the values. Okay, now note down. Okay, so you can term it as Sanjeevni of success. If you will memorize it, you will use it correctly, you will get full marks in your examination. Should I rub it? Okay, I'm going to rub it. Then I'm coming to exponents. Okay, exponents means power. Exponent means power. So there are certain rules, you have to remember them. A की power 0, this will be 1. Then a की power m into a की power n. Base is same. When base is same, powers will be added. A की power m plus n. Second, a की power m upon a की power n. Base is same, powers are different. Okay, so answer will be a की power m minus n. Clear? Okay. Next is a की power m की power n. Suppose this is the question. Expansion will be a की power m into n. So these are the exponents, okay, which you have to use. Means power of any number, if it is 0, the value will be 1. Okay. Next, now coming to the logarithm. Here I will write okay. Now next is, what is the value of log 10? It is written, base is 10, the value is 1. Clear? If log base is 10, this is 100. Okay? Its value will be 2. Two zeros are there, so value will be 2. Similarly, if it is log base 10, 1000, value will be 3. So these are the values of log. Okay? Now do expansion. Log m into n. What will be there? Log m into n. It will be log m plus log n. Clear? Then suppose log m upon n is there. What will be there? Log m minus log. Clear? Okay. Next is log m की power n. Then what will be there? N log. These are the expansion of log. Log m into n equal to log m plus log n. Base is 10. Log m upon n equal to log m minus log n. Log m की power n, so n log n. So these are the expansion of law. Now coming to trigonometrical identity. Clear? Okay. Remember these formulas, then you will find easier to apply them in your questions. Now trigonometrical. So there are three formulas: sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Clear? Angle is right angle triangle. Then this is possible. I am not giving you the proof just now, but this is 90 degree. This is your angle theta. Then when you will do the proof, sine square theta plus cos square theta, it will come 1. Clear? Next is 1 plus tan square theta. This will be equal to sec square theta. Clear? Okay. Now third is 1 plus cot square theta. This will be cosec square theta. So these are the three formulas of the trigonometrical identity. Now how will you find out the value of sin theta? So remember this, Pandit Badri Prasad Bate Har Har Bole. Pandit Badri Prasad Bate Har Har Bole means sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Clear? Then cos theta will be base upon hypotenuse. Then tan theta, okay, this will be perpendicular upon base. Clear? What is the reciprocal of sin theta? The reciprocal of sin theta is cosec theta. So this will be h upon b. Clear? Then what is reciprocal of cos theta? It is sec theta. This will be h upon b. What is reciprocal of tan? This is cot. So this will be b upon. These are the different values. Okay? Now I'm coming to next formulas which are also important for examination point of view, means the commercial mathematics. So commercial mathematics, two types interest are there. One is your compound interest and second is your simple interest. The first thing, simple interest. What is simple interest and what is its formula? So simple interest is P into R into T upon 100. P is the principal value, the amount which you will give to anyone or which you will deposit in the bank. R is the rate of interest per annum. T is the time, means for how many years you have given that money to that particular person or you deposited in the bank. So this is your simple interest. Okay. Next is compound. For compound, and how will you find out amount? Amount will be P plus S. Clear? Now next is your compound interest. How will you find out compound interest? So first find out amount. Amount will be find out by this formula, 1 plus R upon 100 e power n. Clear? And suppose successive rate of interest are given, then how will you find out? Then this formula will be applicable, P1 plus R1 upon 100 to power 1, 1 plus R2 upon 100. Clear? 1 then R3 upon. Okay, when successive rate of interest are given. If there is depreciation, then depreciation we will put minus over here. Suppose last year there is depreciation, so we will put minus. So this is the formula for finding out the amount of. Clear? Okay. Now next is how will you find out CI? So CI you can easily find out by this formula A minus B. When you will minus it, you will get the value of compound interest. Clear? Now suppose you have opened the recurring. Recurring means you are depositing some money, particular some amount of money in a bank. Then which formula you will use for finding the interest? Then this formula will be used P into N plus 1 into R upon 2. Okay, this is the formula for recurring. P is the monthly amount which you are depositing in the bank. N is the number of months. Then R is the rate of interest per annum, and this is a constant term. To note down this. Okay, children. Now next I am coming to coordinate geometry. Okay, how will you find out coordinate geometry? So first thing is, suppose 2 points are given to you. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. Distance between them is d2. Then find out the formula. You will use this formula. Under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the formula for finding out the distance between 2 points. Okay, how will you find out the gradient? Gradient is denoted by m. That is find out by this formula y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. It can also find out by equal to tan theta. Suppose angle is given, then you can easily find out the gradient by finding the tan of that. Okay. Now what is the equation of line? Okay, so this is the equation of line. Y minus y1 equal to m x minus x1. This is the formula for equation. Okay, state equation y minus y1 equal to m x minus x1. Okay, suppose it is cutting a and y intercept on x-axis and y-axis, then the equation will be this formula: y x upon a plus y upon b equal to. This is another form of equation of line: x upon a plus y upon b equal to 1, where a and b are intercept. So this, okay, this is a, this is b. Then your coordinate will be x upon e. Equation will be x upon a plus y upon b equal to 1. Another formula for finding the equation: y equal to mx plus c. M is the gradient and c is the constant. These are the different formula for finding out the equation, distance between two formula, the gradient, and so. Clear? Now suppose a quadratic equation is given to you: ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. So how will you find out the value of x? So the value of x can be found out by this formula, and given Dharachar formula, known as Dharachar formula. By this formula, x equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2. What is a? A is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant. Clear? Okay. Now, how will you find out the angle between two lines whose gradients are given to you m1 and 2? So the formula for that is tan theta equal to m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1, and this is the formula for finding out the angle between two lines. Now there are two conditions. You have to tell when the lines will be parallel and when the lines will be perpendicular to each other. So if m1 is equal to m2 means both the gradients are equal, then your lines will be parallel to each other. Clear? Lines will be parallel. Lines will be parallel. Clear? And suppose the product of these two, m1 into m2, you have find out the product and it is coming 1. Okay, it is coming minus 1, then the lines will be perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular. I think these formulas are clear to you all. Okay. Now one more formula I am going to give you so that coordinate part should be completed. How will you find out the midpoint? If its coordinates are x1, y1, x2, y2, you have to find out the midpoint. So formula will be capital X equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2, y equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. Okay, now suppose there is a line, okay, and intercept is there. Okay, this is x1, y1, x2, y2, point is there, mn. Point P is there, you have to find out the value of x and y. So how will you find out? X equal to m x2 plus n x1 upon m plus n. And similarly y will be m y2 plus n y1 upon m plus n. Clear? Okay. So children, remember this formula.